Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study efficiently Amy Wang Easy Guide. Begin by setting a clear goal for each study session and timing focused blocks with a timer. Keep your workspace simple and free of distractions, and use active recall by testing yourself often. Combine spaced repetition with short summaries after each block, and rotate subjects to prevent fatigue. Small, consistent habits beat last-minute cramming and boost confidence over time. Set realistic blocks, then schedule them like appointments you cannot move so momentum builds naturally. Prioritize the hardest topics when your energy is highest and cluster related subjects to deepen understanding. Use a simple timer and mark completed blocks to track momentum, then reward consistent streaks with small treats. Review what worked each week and pivot strategies that feel stale, keeping study sessions efficient and stress low for steady improvement. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for setting study timers, playing focus music, and managing hands-free reminders while you study. It fits neatly on any desk and adds a little atmosphere without distraction, perfect for study routines that need a reliable companion. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start with quick retrieval practice instead of passive rereading to strengthen memory fast. Follow with short summary notes that focus on core ideas and connections rather than copying pages. Mix problem solving, flashcards, and teaching to create varied retrieval paths so material sticks in different contexts. Adjust difficulty so tasks stay challenging but doable, and regularly revisit old material to maintain gains while moving forward confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.